Okay, if you need a professional, heavy-duty camera stabilizer but don't want to pay modern flagship prices, the DJI Ronin-S Essentials Kit is a legendary budget option for three main big reasons. First, it supports an impressive 8-pound payload. This means it effortlessly handles most standard DSLR and mirrorless setups from Sony, Canon, and Nikon, while its signature angled roll motor keeps your camera's LCD screen completely visible. Second, the ecosystem is highly connected. Using the DJI mobile app, you unlock full virtual remote control over the joystick, customize your tracking profiles, and execute advanced automatic smart features like smooth panoramas and motion time lapses. What makes the Essentials Kit a fantastic buy is that it strips out expensive extras like the physical focus wheel to pass a massive discount onto creators, while retaining the exact same high torque motors and 12-hour battery life of the original. For smooth cinematic movement on a strict budget, this kit remains a powerhouse choice. Highly recommended.